In this video, I'm going to show you how to put Stream East on your TV so you can enjoy your favorite sports and content on a bigger screen. Whether you're using a smart TV, streaming device, or even a gaming console, there are several ways to cast or mirror Stream East from your phone, tablet, or computer to your television. One of the easiest methods is by using a Chromecast or similar casting device. Simply connect your Chromecast to your TV's HDMI port. Ensure both your device and Chromecast are on the same Wi-Fi network, open Stream East on your phone or computer, and tap the Cast icon to connect. If you have a smart TV with built-in casting capabilities, you can use the TV's native screen mirroring feature by enabling it in your device's settings and selecting your TV from the available devices list. Alternatively, if you're using an Amazon Firestick, Roku, or Apple TV, you can download a compatible browser app like Silk or Firefox, visit the Stream East website, and stream directly from the app. For those without wireless casting options, connecting your laptop to your TV using an HDMI cable is another reliable solution. Just plug one end of the cable into your laptop and the other into your TV, switch your TV to the correct HDMI input, and open Stream East on your browser. If you're using a gaming console like PlayStation or Xbox, you can also use its web browser to access the Stream East website. Regardless of the method you choose, make sure your internet connection is stable for uninterrupted streaming. That's it. You now know how to put Stream East on your TV and enjoy your favorite games or events on a larger display. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.